Hello, I'm Dr. Trupti Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. I find that many people trying to lose weight only focus on the weight loss goal, but the ultimate goal is not just weight loss, but keeping it off. At Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center, we focus on 4 phases of your weight loss journey. Phase 1, medical assessment. This is done at the first visit. At this visit, we do a complete medical assessment that includes a history and brief physical, EKG, and any pertinent labs. We will also perform a body composition analysis and a metabolic test. Having excess weight is a disease, so it is important to treat it as such. Often excess weight is the cause of many diseases like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, joint pains, acid reflux, and the list goes on. Rather than taking a long list of medications for these, why not put them into remission with a healthy weight? Excess weight also increases the risk for certain cancers like colon, breast, uterine, and esophageal. A healthier weight can decrease your risk for these cancers. As you continue to lose weight, we will continue to monitor medications, adjust dosages of certain medications if needed, while working in conjunction with your regular physician. Phase 2, weight loss. This is the time when you're actively losing weight. We monitor your fat loss using frequent body composition analysis. We provide frequent ongoing dietary and behavioral counseling to address any struggles that you may be experiencing from a nutritional and psychological standpoint. During this time, we will also be doing a lot of teaching about various nutritional and behavioral topics that will help you keep your weight off long term. We will guide you with exercise plan that fits your dietary plan. You will also continue to see the physician regularly during this time to monitor your health and medications. Phase 3, transition. This is when you are close to your weight loss goal, about 5 to 10 pounds away. We will start to get you ready for maintenance. We will focus on increasing your level of exercise. You will continue to receive dietary and behavioral counseling and see the physician to get you ready for maintenance. Phase 4, maintenance. Now that you have lost weight, it's time to keep it off. Sometimes this can be even harder than the weight loss phase, but with the right guidance from us, this is absolutely doable. We continue to see our patients regularly to provide support and accountability. We continue dietary and behavioral counseling to help you continue the good habits that you learned and help ensure that you integrate them into your lifestyle. We continue to provide exercise guidance, which becomes important in the maintenance phase. We give our patients very specific guidelines, keeping the weight off. And if we see any regain, we will nip it in the bud. So make this the last weight loss clinic you ever go to. We will make sure you get the weight off in the short term and keep it off in the long term. Give us a call at 703-783-5673 or visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com and get started today.